Welcome back to Wellness Sutra. Today's recipe is for those days when you're looking for something comforting and nourishing for your body, but yet easy to make. This is called dal soup, or you can also call it a detox soup or nourishing soup. How do we make it? What all we need for this soup? We need a moong lentil, a yellow moong lentil without skin. Okay, this is how it looks. You see, this is a yellow lentil without skin. Okay, always go for organic yellow lentil. You can buy it from any Indian store or Amazon, wherever it's available for you. Lentil has a property of nourishment because it is rich in protein and also it is easy to digest, especially this lentil. Okay, so how much lentil do we need? We need 1 cup lentil for 2 to 3 people. It goes very well for 2 to 3 people. And in this recipe, we are just going to use this lentil, some salt, turmeric powder, and some lemon juice, and if you want, some black pepper. So this is very simple recipe because we want to keep it as simple as possible. Also for the tempering, we are going to use the same ghee which we have made in the previous video, which you can find in the link below to go and see how to make your own ghee at home. So I have soaked this lentil for half an hour. If you have time, please soak it. That way it's all that whatever the top skin, there are some layers of the pesticides which kinds of get removed from the lentil, and also it becomes very easy to digest. Okay, but if you don't have time or if you're in hurry, you can also soak it for 5 to 10 minutes and then make it. I'm using a pressure cooker to make this lentil soup, but if you don't have pressure cooker at home, you don't have to worry. You can also use Instapot or a normal pot. It's just going to take a little longer than how much time it takes in pressure cooker, but it is going to taste the same and you can enjoy everything about it. Okay, so let's learn how to make it. You can put the soaked lentil in the pressure cooker. So once you have the lentil, we need to add the water to it. How much water do you need for 1 cup of lentil? You need to use 4 cup of water for 1 cup of lentil. If you think you have 2 cup of lentil, then use 8. If you have half cup, then use 2. So it's 1:4 ratio of water and lentil what you need to use. Some people enjoy lentil more soupy. Then you can add a little bit more water like 4.5 or 5 cup as well. Okay. So let's 4 cup of water in this lentil. Now I can place it on my gas on a medium heat. All of these recipes goes well on a medium heat because that's the heat which can help cook food, not very fast and not too slow as well. Put 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, okay, and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. You can always put more salt as per your own taste, but I think 1.5 teaspoon is good. I'm going to give it a nice mix to this entire lentils and then close the lid. Sometimes I enjoy putting some black pepper or some ginger in this bowl itself, but today I'm making it very simple. But there are days when it's raining, there are days when it is cold. You can add some heat into it by adding some ginger or some black pepper to the same soup. Now close the cooker and we will wait for it to give 1 whistle, or basically you cook this for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, either 1 whistle or 15 to 20 minutes is what you need to cook. So here are the quick Ayurvedic facts about yellow bean lentil. It is the most easy to digest lentil and it is the one which balances all the doshas, the Vata, Pitta and Kapha. It is a lentil which can be eaten throughout the year, all time of the year. People can consume it every day as well, and it's not going to produce any gas or any bloating to your stomach. Also, it is a lentil which is very good for people at the old age because it has good protein and it is light to digest. The soup we are making today, the lentil soup, can be enjoyed in the days when you are feeling like having a lighter meal, or if you're in an Ayurvedic cleanse program you do every year a 5-day Ayurveda cleanse program, which is a program where you can nourish your body inside out with light Ayurvedic food. So this is one of the meal which you can have in this cleanse program, and it is going to really help you nourish and cleanse your body properly. If you're interested to know about our 5-day cleanse program, there's a link below. You can click on that link and find more about it. Soup is getting ready. If you want to make it a balanced meal, what else you can add with it? You can have the dal soup with some rice, which I've already made. It can be a white rice or a brown rice, as per your choice. And then you can have some saute vegetables. Today I've sauteed some broccoli, but you can saute any other vegetables or steam any other vegetables you like. And this becomes your balanced, happy. So our dal soup is ready, and we're going to make some tempering for it to make it taste nice and also make it more nourishing. What do we need for tempering? We take a small pan and place it on a low heat. And then take 2 big tablespoons of ghee. Okay, just use ghee. That's the best. If you don't have ghee, you can use butter or you can use any other oil as well. But ghee is the best option for your tempering. And I'm going to put 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida in it. It's one of the spices which is used in all the lentils in India to make it better digestive for our stomach. Okay, so 1/2 teaspoon of 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida and 1 teaspoon of cumin. Okay, and that completes my tempering because I want to keep it very simple today. Once you have this ready, once your cumins are popped in the ghee, close the burner and add this popping cumin and asafoetida. Then here, dal soup. Squeeze half a lemon if you like to have some tangy taste to the soup. Mix it well. While eating, you can pour some more ghee on top of your dal soup, and then you can serve it with any white rice or brown rice and any saute or steamed vegetables, and this becomes a complete meal. How do we eat it? You can either have just, or you can mix it with your rice and enjoy it with the rice, and on the side some vegetables. And this is a perfect combination for any day when you want to have something light, nourishing, and make your tummy and make yourself happy. Thank you for watching.